Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn some words and their synonyms to two words each. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. A synonym is a word or phrase that means precisely or nearly the same as another word in a given language. Let's start learning the words and their synonyms. First word is happy. Its synonyms are joyful and cheerful. Next word is fast. Its synonyms are quick and rapid. Next word is big. Its synonyms are large and huge. Next word is smart. The synonyms of smart are intelligent and clever. Next word is start. Its synonyms are begin and commence. Next word is rich. Its synonyms are wealthy and affluent. Next word is easy. The synonyms of easy are simple and effortless. Next word is help. Its synonyms are assist and support. Next word is old. Its synonyms are ancient and antique. Next word is quiet. The synonyms of quiet are silent and calm. Next word is strong. Its synonyms are powerful and sturdy. Next word is beautiful. Its synonyms are gorgeous and stunning. Next word is angry. The synonyms of angry are furious and enraged. Next word is sad. The synonyms of sad are unhappy and miserable. Next word is safe. Its synonyms are secure and protected.